Anything is possible with hard work and determination. Your own determination to success is most important. Yes, I am talking about William O'Neill, the legendary investor and all-time successful businessman from USA. Yes, he is the author of How to Make Money in Stocks, written in 1988, and it has helped thousands of investors to get the real wisdom of stock market. So how did he start? How did he make money in investing? William O'Neill had a very smooth start like a common man. In 1958, he joined his career as a stockbroker. Gradually, he learned from the market from trial and error basis, and from his own experience, he has developed his own investment strategy. And in 1962-63 period, he has converted his $500 into $2 lakh. Then he pretty much sure that he can form his own company because of his massive success. And in 1963, he buy a seat in New York Stock Exchange. And in 1964, he has found his own investment firm called William O'Neill and Company, an institutional research firm, and he has more than 500 institutional clients at the time and more than 3,000 of retail clients. Gradually, by his phenomenal work, it's become number one institutional firm, research brokerage firm in USA. Gradually, over this period of time, in 1983, he has launched his own journal called Investor Diary against Wall Street Journal, which was a massive success. And Wall Street Journal at that point of time has 2 million of subscribers. And in just 1 year, he has retained 1 lakh of subscribers. And within just 4 years, that is 1988, he has huge fan followings as investors. Lots of people are getting his advisory to invest in stock market. At this point of time, he has written this legendary book, How to Make Money in Stock. As you all know, it's a all-time successful investing book. You can read and get some wisdom. During his book, he has written 7 methods how to pick a stock, and 18 common mistakes most investors do. So if you haven't read this book, check the link in description and go buy this book. William O'Neill always advised, do not buy stock at their low, but rather buy stock when they're beginning at their big moves. So always buy at the beginning of the big move or big high, new high when the stock is making new high. Always observe that and try to buy those stocks.